Step into the Kia 2020 Sorento 3.3 LLX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 290 horsepower, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.